Hi, and welcome to this Virtual Manufacturing Services Programmer Series video on what's new in GibbsCAM version 14. So in this video we're going to be discussing what's new with Tool List. So if I go up here to the tool area and right click, we have now a View Edit Tool List. So I can pick a tool list without actually committing to it and go see what's in that list visually. I can also sort those tools by either tool type, tile number, or by tool group. So if I switch this to by tile number, it's going to switch the way it displays those tools. Now, what else is really cool is that if you save a tool list now, if you saved a tool that is in, let's say, position 4, when you save it, it's going to reload back in position 4. And as always, you can always change those around as you want anyway, but it's going to reload in the same position. Another nice thing about this is you can view multiple tool lists without actually committing to it. So if I close this out, let's right click and go View Edit Tool List, and I'll load a different set of tools. There you see I can load multiple different tool lists within GibbsCAM without committing. Let me go back to the first one here, and let's view this one here. And if I want to load these tools, I can right click and go Import into Part, or I can load them all by clicking this button. Now what else is really cool is the fact that it saves the intermediate tool blocks. So if I double click in here, you're going to see our tool block down here. This is another new feature, is this icon right here that I can show with the tool holder and the block. And I can roll it around and look at it. So it's going to preserve those tool blocks from intermediate tooling in your part file as well. This turns holder off, leaves the block there, no block, no holder, block and holder. So that's how that works. So very cool feature in GibbsCAM version 14 is the ability to view your tool list and save all your intermediate tooling with your tool list as well. So thanks for watching.